Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Paper or spreadsheet-based maintenance processes can lead to excessive out-of-service time and delays in maintenance. With Dashpivot, you can streamline your preventative maintenance processes, saving time and improving asset management to extend your asset's operational life. In Dashpivot, you can create a plant and equipment maintenance template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's run a search at the top for maintenance specifically, and you'll see the many asset maintenance templates that we have available. You'll be able to preview any of these formats before adding them into your workspace. Let's use the excavator maintenance checklist as an example here. Keeping in mind that anything that you see while previewing can be customized once added to your workspace. Once added, you can start completing digital maintenance within the team folders. Our standard excavator maintenance checklist template includes inspector name, date, further information in text fields, and then various tables for different sections for maintenance checks. Towards the end, there's then a final question whether a fault has been identified, and if you select yes, there are additional fields so that you can put in further information about the faults and add photos as well as whether a maintenance is required for that fault. We also have a little summary table here to calculate how many faults were identified and how many of these required maintenance. Once a form is saved, the checklist will be shown in a timeline view, sorted by the date input in the form, like this. All of these checklists are then automatically compiled into a register where all information from each checklist are all displayed in a table format. You can use filters at the top. Select these and you'll be able to export their data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. And you can rearrange any of the fields as needed. On top of that, to ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and exclude from form cloning, just like this. And as we saw earlier, conditional logic can be applied. In this case, we applied it to this last question so that additional fields are populated when yes is selected. The list module can be used as a database with various properties. Let's use employees as an example. Here we have relevant information such as contact details and their driver's license expiry. This one is a special expiry date property where you can choose to be notified when the set date is approaching or when it is overdue. Any of the lists that you created here can also be linked to your template to be used as a drop-down list or multiple choice list. All of the maintenance data captured can then be analyzed further using analytics, which is available at both the home folder level and the team folders. For example, I've set up a ratio chart here for the excavator maintenance completed, broken down by who's completed these maintenance forms. Photos of identified faults during plant and equipment maintenance checklists are also essential for accurate documentation. These can be found in the Photos tab. Photo tags can then be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app and if you have enabled these location settings. The location will then appear as a map on the left-hand side here. Checklists can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The maintenance checklists are organized in a timeline just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing forms or create a new one using that plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app or you can choose to upload images from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, you'll be able to mark up these photos to highlight certain details. Photo tags and description can be applied during this step for easy searching and filtering later on. Photo stamps are also available to display information such as date, time, company logo, geotagging, description, and more, and this can be found in your app settings. Here I have the feature turned on, and as you can see on the bottom left corner, I've got it to display the date and time the photos were taken, the workspace or the company name, as well as the folder name. Once completed, and if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your plant and equipment maintenance data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or analytic tools. Try Dashpivot for plant and equipment maintenance today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.